Hi guys, this is Alex from Mason Lifestyle. I hope you guys are doing well. I had a great weekend. I was able to finish one of my dresses from Cynthia Rowley that I had way back in January to finish, and I'm concentrating this week on finishing the matching jacket on that pattern. And I am starting to work on this pattern. Is our cape that I'm doing a sew along for is Vogue 8959, guys, and I'm going to be doing view A. And I wanted to make this video because you're like, why capes? So I've told you guys that I get ads on Instagram all the time, and man, do they just know me. So I had gotten an ad for this Valentino cape a while ago, and it is red. It's beautiful. It's got these scalloped front and also a scalloped hem, which is absolutely so cool and definitely something that we can hack and do perhaps at a later time. But I also saw the lining, and the lining has this animal print in red, and if you see almost like the back of it, it has like this eye. It is so cool. Completely love it. So I saw that and I really liked it, and I have had this picture, you guys. I've had this picture on kind of like things I want to do on my computer for a long time, like such a long time, but I put it off to the side, right? And I'm like, Little Red Riding Hood, perhaps a red cape might not be in the cards, but maybe blue. And you guys know I got that fabric, that boiled wool from Minerva. So, and I also got this picture from Cynthia Rowley, and I see this one again and again and again in this capelet. They call it a capelet. It's a cape. It's a very casual cape. It's made out of French terry, guys, and I've gotten this ad so many times, and I went to go see it. It's in farfetch.com. The cape retails for $265, which I'm like, whoa, it's French terry. That's probably something that I can even self-draft based on like almost a t-shirt and just make myself. So I saw that and I'm like, I think that would be kind of fun, right? To kind of throw on and just go about your day. So I loved it. So it's kind of like a little bit of inspiration, what I've been seeing and why I want one. And then if you guys follow some of those shows from fall 2022 just came out this last week, you will see a lot of, if you see some of the shows, I saw Oscar de la Renta, they had capes. They call it the opera coat, but guys, in my country we call that a cape, a long cape that you can wear over an evening dress. I also saw Oscar de la Renta, Burberry. They have always a ton of outdoor wear. I saw a lot of capes in them. And then I also saw this beautiful picture from Carolina Herrera, and it's got this purple cape over a dress and this big chunky jewelry on top. I loved it. So I keep seeing them and I'm like, I gotta have one, and I'm gonna make one, and I need your help with something, so stay tuned. But I wanted to give you a couple of other types of cape patterns that you guys can do or make yourselves, and I put all of these on the blog. So let me tell you about some other ones, some other patterns that are out there that are still in print, one that is not, but some of you may have it in your stash. So I'm thinking, hey, pull it out, dust that sucker and make it. So it's Butterick 6603, and I'm going to put a picture up. It's a short cape with a placket, right? So that's another one that you can make. McCalls 74 $77. I'm going to put a picture up. It's a mid-length cape. It's got different views. One featuring like a hood and a belt. I don't wear a whole lot of hoods, but trust me, my daughter, if everything can have a hoodie, she loves it. So that may be a good one for her, but perhaps not for me. I want to look a little bit more polished and put together. Also quick sew K4224, which is a kind of bummer, you guys, because quick sew patterns are completely now out of print. I believe that they mentioned that they're not, they started making like crafting patterns, right? They shifted from apparel to crafting. And then I believe less than a month ago, they said, that's it, no more quick sew, which is like such a bummer. And I have to say, if you find any of those vintage patterns from the original designer in quick sew, definitely grab them. Or if you want to get rid of them and make a little money, put them on Etsy, put them somewhere for sale. They will get snapped up. They're good stuff. If you can find some, especially if I found one at a thrift store, and the instructions are absolutely amazing. They are really meant. They really have the good stuff. If you can find those patterns, definitely get your hands on them. Another one, Simplicity 8264. I have this one somewhere around here. It has 4 styles. It has pockets, it has a stand-up collar, and it even has like a little fur detachable trim, which is kind of fun, right? You can kind of dress it up perhaps when it's like deep winter and you want to go out to a restaurant and wear a little faux fur, so that's always fun. And then also you look 65.35, and you know, the only thing when you look is like their patterns are not really size inclusive, but man, they are cute. And then I also put in a link to Threads magazine. Threads magazine, they are awesome. I love that magazine. If you want to level up your sewing, it is absolutely fantastic. But they put a video and also a downloadable PDF on their website for capes. So you can go in there, you can hit download, and they even have a cute little video how to make it, which is kind of fun. But I'm coming back to, I need your help. So I had ordered a lining for my cape, and I'm going to show you a picture, but it's not coming. It's not coming for like 2 weeks, and I would love to start on this pattern this week. So remember, this is my fabric. It's boiled wool from Minerva. So awesome stuff. I got to get it ready and pre-shrunk this week, right? But I pulled out 2 other fabrics, and I kind of need your help. I need you to tell me in the comments below, what do you think? So this may be used as a lining. It's kind of fun. It is a viscose fabric. I've had it for a while, almost a year now. I have 4 yards of this, and I need 2 yards for lining for the cape. But I thought it has all those awesome blues, and I can still make a top out of it. So again, option 1, right? Option 2, which I believe you guys have seen this fabric, and I have 8 yards of this stuff. It is a charmeuse, and it's beautiful. It's like a darker indigo blue. And, you know, so that's option 2. And option 3 is to wait for that lining fabric. So guys, tell me in the comments below. Option 1, striped fabric. Option 2, charmeuse, navy blue. And then option 3, wait for the lining fabric that you ordered. So tell me in the comments below, and then I'm going to read those comments, and then we'll see. We'll pick some lining fabric. But in the meantime, this week, I'm going to go ahead and cut my pattern and make adjustments, because one of you mentioned, hey, watch the shoulders on that. You may need to make adjustments on that. So, all right, guys, that is it for today, and happy Fat Tuesday. If you are celebrating, I sure will. I got some beads around here, so I definitely will be wearing those today. And I will see you next time. Bye.